Y'all gonna kill me. I did not line up a taste tester. I just started, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna film today. I got time. Ain't nobody coming over here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan hush puppies. Let's get started. Before we get started, just a quick reminder about the contest I have going on right now. You can win $100 to your Cash App or your Venmo if you recreate my recipe and hashtag ThatChocolateVegan 10K challenge. If you don't know what that is, check out my last video when I reviewed the Beyond Meat crumbles and you'll get all the details. But just a quick reminder, you want to win that cash, get in the kitchen. Come on now, come on.
All right guys, we're using peanut oil because we're out of canola. All right, moving on. We have a cup of cornmeal. We have a half a cup of all-purpose flour. We're using a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, some cayenne for flavor, guys, not really for heat, so that's maybe like another teaspoon. Salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna shake that on up. Wow, 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 bow, bow, bow. Okay, still going, bow, bow. Okay, now a little pepper. Pick that up, open that up there. Okay, ow, how am I covering it? I guess I didn't want to go on the camera. All right, oh, okay, yeah, hot the pepper. Garlic powder, because she is bae and she's with me. That's about a tablespoon as well, guys. Mixing that all up. Yeah, come on, wrist. Yeah, girl, you better work it. Yes. All right, this is about a cup of green and yellow onion that I put in my little mini food processor. This is vegan buttermilk. It's just a cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix that on up as well. That looks deliciously disgusting, but y'all know this is what hush puppy mix look like. So get into it. Get into it. Still mixing. I'm not playing with y'all. Now I'm putting in a flax egg. This is just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Makes a vegan egg. More wrist action. Yes, you need that. Strengthen those wrists. Showing you the deliciously disgusting mixture I made. But it's gonna be good though. Alright, now I'm using 1/8 cup of cornmeal because I thought the mixture needed to be a little thicker. I thought she needed to be thicker. So there we go. Add another 1/8 cup. Recipe will be in the description box down below. Alright, here's a new texture. It looks exactly the same, but I promise y'all it's thicker.
Okay, y'all, it's been like a total like 20 minutes since you last saw me. This took like maybe 7 minutes of filming time, and I let this sit for like an extra 10. That'll equal 20, but you know what I mean. So let's play the game that you guys love to play.
Is the oil ready yet?
So I just want you guys to see that it got even thicker as it rested. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I'm just saying it rested. So let yours rest, because if it don't, it might turn out different. I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna test a little piece. This is a fork. I should use a spoon, but I just want to see if the oil is ready, per usual. Oh, it is. Oh, let me zoom y'all in. Okay, fry, little one. Yes. That actually is not a little bad shape. Okay, just instantly. Look, it's that quick, y'all. This is real time. This is real time. That was like 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out, and we're gonna put some more in here. That's not a bad shape. Okay, fork, that's a hush puppy right there. Let's do some more. Of course, if you have an ice cream scoop, that's the best bet. Okay, I think these are ready to go. Oh, okay, Chef Erin, you did that.
I hope I did that. I ain't tasted these yet. I spoke too soon.
Now with the rest of my mixture, y'all, I kind of like froze. Oh, it's been out the freezer for 5 minutes. It's been defrosted. I had froze some cheese and coconut bacon. It's defrosted now. I was gonna try stuffed hush puppies, but now we just gonna mix it in the mixture and see what happens, because now they're thawed. So this was pointless. Welcome to my channel. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do here is take a little mixture, take a little thawed out piece of cheese. I mean, this is completely thawed out. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it in there with it, basically. Like, this look real yellow on camera. I need to move the light. At this point, it's just a bacon and cheese mixture at this point, y'all. I mean, my goodness. How could you fail so bad? Cause it's me. Okay, it smells good. Like they really do smell good. They look completely different, probably because it's the cheese on the outside that's burning away. Okay, right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna make the rest of them though, but I'm gonna turn this off. Maybe like 10 more seconds on these. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. You guys know how long it's been because I wasn't paying attention, but the timer was on the camera. What should we call these? Like cheese tater balls? Oh no, we should not call it that. I mean, I would eat that. We'll see if it's good though. All right, here it all is. The cheddar one, the cheddar bacon ones, and the original. I whipped up a quick tartar sauce. Let me know if you guys don't know how to make tartar sauce. It's really easy. In fact, I'll just put a recipe in the description box for you. All right, so I'm gonna try a regular one without dipping it first. So this is normal hush puppy, no bacon, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I talk too much. That's actually good. I would actually want it to be, hold on, a little bit more crispy on the outside. Like maybe I should let it sit a little bit longer, but see how that's, the texture on the inside is okay, but I wish it was a little bit crispier on the outside. That is good. Okay. I'm gonna finish this. I don't need no tartar sauce. Oh, maybe I did, honey. I almost died. Here's our bacon cheddar one. Honey, she looking like a whole alien. Oh. Be good though, okay? Ready? Okay, okay. Oh, that cheese. Now, I'm be honest, I don't taste the bacon. Tastes like cheesy cornbread.
Hello?
Where are you?
I'm at home. I'm on the phone with my brother up in New York. What you doing? What's on your mind?
Don't you want to come eat some cornbread? I mean, some hush puppies?
I'm naked as a jailbird. Okay, got me on speaker.
I do!
Oh, Lord.
We're not gonna talk about that, y'all. Let me taste it with tartar sauce. My tartar sauce is too good. It took all the flavor, like, I just taste tartar sauce. But it's good tartar sauce though, if I do say so myself, okay? We gotta taste without tartar sauce though. That cheated. You cheated.
I cheated.
You
Okay.
cheated. You cheated.
Hold on. It's good without tartar sauce.
Yay!
Half of it. I'm gonna be able to eat it all. These are good. I like this tartar sauce.
I did that. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.